Hi there, welcome to my video on how to create a custom course completion page in Thinkific. In this video, I will talk about the benefits of the course completion page and how to set it up. If you didn't already know, the benefits of the course completion page is that it helps differentiate your brand, your course, and your offering and potential offerings from other courses out there. A course completion page is a page that a student sees when they've completed their course. So the default in Thinkific says, thank you for taking this course. Course meaning the specific X course that you will be selling to them. And that is a great, in default standard message, but there's a great way to take advantage of the features and styles in the course completion page setup in Thinkific so that your page and your message is a little bit more personalized, it's a little bit more tailored, and it doesn't look like a standard generic thank you message. The bonus is that within the customization feature, you can not only add a link for people to leave a review for your course, you can also leave a link for students to return to the landing page to check out other options. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to log into your Thinkific dashboard. I'm logged into my portal right now, and the first thing I want to do is click on courses. Now, once I'm in courses, I want to just pick one just to show you for a demo on how to set up the course completion page. So I'm just going to pick this Launch Your Online Course in 6 weeks. And the first thing I want to do is click on the Settings tab. Now you see in this tab, I have a few different options to choose from. For the purpose of the course completion page, we're going to click on specifically course progress and completion because this option deals specifically with the course completion page. So once I click on that, then I will see this course progress and completion heading. And this is how I know I'm in the right place. And it'll give me the settings for video lesson progress, chapter completion, course completion in terms of the certificates and what certificate I'm going to issue. And then the one here that on the bottom says course completion page. This is one that will allow me to customize the messaging and the style so that it's tailored and more personalized to the student. So let's click on this box. And then once you click on the box, there is kind of like a blank space for you to sort of customize the thank you message. And so they've added here a little bit of pro tip that you can add a course if you insert this variable in the URL. This will allow students to leave an automatic review for your course. So there's a couple of things that I want to show you in how you can kind of take advantage of this kind of feature in Thinkific. First one, I would say the thank you is really important. And so I'll write thank you. But the important thing to know is you can say thank you for taking my course. And I can also make this, I can choose from the font size, I can make it bigger, I can also play with the colors, make it bold. But what I also like is if I wanted to, I could put this in Canva and make this a graphic and then insert an image here, either directly from my computer or from the Canva link. I do recommend for easier sake and for the convenience of loading that you upload the image directly from the computer. But since I don't have one, I'm just going to stick with this. Thank you for taking my course. I hope you enjoyed it and got value out of it. The other thing I'd like to go even further is to make this beyond just a regular thank you message, is to insert a video where I personally record a video to thank each student. And this is where I can insert a video. And so I can take a video that I've uploaded from my video library and put it here, and it can go on to autoplay. I can also link the video if it's hosted on Vimeo. And then I can also copy the code if it's on another website. So for example, if I was hosting this from YouTube, I could copy the code from YouTube and paste it in here. So I like that that's a couple different ways that I would suggest you enhance the course completion page. So one, the text is a little bit more personalized. You can even, thank you for taking my blank course so that you make this a very specific course instead of just a general course. You could say, thank you for taking my launch your online course in 6 weeks course. Just so that people know that, though a lot of our efforts and tasks are automated, the more that this automation looks more personal and tailored, the more that people value the experience that they receive from you. So I would say make this personal and tailored to the specific course name. If you can, insert a video thank you message. Video is very important and very relevant right now. It's a way of sort of connecting with your user, connecting with your student, connecting with your customer. And video is a great way to sort of practice being on camera and also connecting with your students. And also video, people get such a feeling out of watching videos versus reading text. So it's another way of personalizing this course completion message. And then the other thing I would add to your message is to say, please leave a review for my course and let me know what you thought. Now, here's where the Thinkific tip here comes useful. So the variable, so I'm just going to copy this first, and then the review here, I'm going to make this a link. And then I can copy that variable, insert it in here. And so every time someone clicks on this, they'll automatically be taken to the review page to leave a review for this course. And then as a last kind of call to action for this course completion page, I want to say, check out my landing page for additional course offerings. Please send me an email. Just as an added reminder, though people do already have your email address, it never hurts to send it again because people need a lot of reminders nowadays because we're overwhelmed with notifications, and so every little bit of reminder kind of helps people to keep you at the top of their mind. So send me an email and join my free Facebook group if you haven't already. The idea is you want to thank them for taking the course, ask them to leave a review, and then check out the landing page. So here's where landing page I can put my link, engineering creatively, thinkific.com. And then for additional course offerings, send me an email. Here I can insert my email, jean.pack@gmail.com, and then join my free Facebook group. Also make this a link, Facebook. So the reason I like it this way, so these are 3 elements to keep in mind when you're creating the course completion page. One, I like the last format better with adding links because while I could make this a graphic, I do want to make these clickable links so that it takes people directly to where I'd like them to go. So this is just a summary of the course completion page and how you can customize it. Remember, the elements are leave a thank you message either in text and or video if possible. Video is very personal and very effective way to connect with your customer, student, and user. Remind them to leave a review because the reviews are essential for collecting more testimonials to add to your future course sales page. And then final call to action, which is encourage your students, learners, users, customers to check out your landing page for other offerings, stay in touch with you via email, and if you have a free Facebook group, encourage them to join the Facebook group if they haven't already. So I hope this helps. And then once this is done, I want to click on Save. And then I can preview this as a student. I'll click on the preview button, and then it'll take me to the page. And that's it. So I hope that helps. Remember, the idea of the custom course completion page is that it's more personal, it's more tailored, and it shows a little bit of differentiation between you and other course creators. The idea is that even though people buy from you once, you really want to turn a one-time customer into repeat customers. And in a very driven world of internet marketing and sales, the more personalized, the more tailored you can be in your communication and your messaging and how you deliver the experience from start to finish, the more that your one-time customers will become repeat and or lifelong customers. So leave a comment if this video helps. Any questions that you have, subscribe, and check out my other Thinkific videos and playlists. Thanks again for watching, and talk to you soon.